Hello students, my channel name is Khandesh Srinik, class 10th standard. In this session I am going to explain you that 7th chapter coordinate geometry, exercise 7.1, question number 2nd and 3rd. See here, exercise 7.1. Now before going to start exercise 7.1 second problem, you need to learn some formula, then only you are capability to do exercise 7.1. Now the distance between 2 points, it is a one type of formula. Here points are nothing but A, B, C, D, E, F and so on. And these points, see between these points is known as distance. Now A point containing x1 and y1 and B point containing x2 and y2. These two are coordinates, and when we add them, AB is equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now here you have a doubt here, how it is x1, y1, x2, y2. I can't understanding, sir. See, when you do exercise problems only, you will understand this problem. Now let us start exercise problem second one. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Now I am taking this 0, 0 as A and 36, 15 as B. See here, A bracket of 0, 0 and B 36, 15. Now in this A there are two coordinates now. So here x1, y1. See here, it is x1 and it is y1. Here x2, y2 no. Here it is x2, here it is y2. Now what is the formula of AB? Distance between the points. AB is equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. AB is equals to, what is x2 here? 36. x1 0. x2 minus x1 is nothing but 36 minus 0 whole square plus y2 is 15 minus y1 is 0. 15 minus 0 whole square. Now AB is equal to 36 minus 0, 36 whole square plus 15 minus 0, 15 whole square. Now 36 can be written as, whole square can be written as 36 into 36. Nothing but 1296. 15 square is nothing but 15 into 15, 225. Now when we add them, what do we get here? Root 1521. Now how can we write this is in the form of squares? That means 39 into 39 is nothing but 39 square. By cancelling, we have to root. We have to write the same numbers which multiply. We get the number which is in the form of root. Now here 39 into 39 is equals to 39 square. 2 times repeated no. So it may be 39 square. In the place of 1521 I have written here 39 square, square root cancel here. What is remaining here? AB is equals to 39. So this is our final answer. Now here see third one, it is different here. Verify whether the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 1 are collinear or not. Now here observe this. Let us write it is A and it is B and it is C. Now here he given points and we have to find out first of all distance here. How can we find out distance? There he given only 2. Now here he given here 3. So we have to find out distance. Let us take ABC as a triangle. See how many distance are there for ABC? AB is a distance, BC is a distance and C is a distance. So we have to find out these 3 distances. Now first of all let us take AB as a distance. What is A here? 1, 5 and B 2, 3. Now here it is x1 and here it is y1. Here it is x2, here it is y2. What is the formula here? AB is equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is x2? 2. x1 1. x2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 is 3. y1 is 5. 3 minus 5 whole square. Now AB is equals to 2 minus 1 1. 1 square plus 3 minus 5. See here 5 minus 3 2 no. The sign containing greater number as minus. So 5 is a greater. For greater number which sign is there here? Minus. So minus 2 whole square is equal to 1 square is nothing but 1. Minus 2 whole square is nothing but minus 2 into minus 2, 4. That means minus into minus plus. 2 2s are 4. 1 plus 4, root 5. What is the value of AB? Root 5. Now, let us find the value or distance of BC. Distance between the points B. What is B here? 2 comma 3. C minus 2 comma minus 1. BC is equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. See, it is already a formula. What is x2 here? Minus 2. x1, 2. x2 minus x1 is nothing but minus 2 whole square plus y2 is minus 1, y1 is minus 3. So, here it is minus. y2 minus y1 is nothing but minus 1 minus 3 whole square. Now, minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 whole square. Now, minus 4 whole square is nothing but minus 4 into minus 4 is nothing but minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. As it is minus 4 whole square plus also. Now here 16 plus 16 is nothing but 32. Now 32 can't be written in the form of squares. Now how can we write it? By multiplying in 2 table. 2 into 16, 32. Now I am separating the root terms. Root 2 into root 16. 16 can be written as squares. 4 square. Square root cancel here. BC is equals to root 2 into 4. 4 root 2. Now what we have to find out next distance? CA. Distance between the points. What are the points given? CA now. C minus 2 comma minus 1. A 1 comma 5. So here it is x1, here it is y1, here it is x2 and here it is y2. Now what is the value of CA formula? Root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is x2 here? 1. Minus. X1 is minus 2. Again minus is there. So don't confuse it. I have written here brackets whole square plus y2 is 5 minus of y1 is again minus 1. So minus of minus 1 whole square. Now 1 minus into minus plus 2 whole square plus 5 as it is 1 minus into minus plus 1 whole square. Now C is equals to root 1 plus 2 3 whole square plus 5 plus 1 6 whole square. 3 square is nothing but 3 into 3 9. 6 square is nothing but 6 into 6 36. CA is equals to 3 square is nothing but 9. 6 square is nothing but 36. 9 plus 36 root 45. So 45 can't be written in the form of squares and it can't be written in the form of 2 table. So here it is a final. And what is said to find out as whether they are collinear or not, whether they are equal or not. See here AB is root 5, BC is 4 root 2 and CA is root 45. Whether they are equal? No, they are not collinear points. If you not liked my channel, so please give me a thumbs up. And if you not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe it. And if you not shared this video, so please keep sharing. The more you share, the more you get. So that's what we are doing here. Thank you for watching.